what a timber. That is just absolutely gorgeous. This is one of the 14 footers, so it's going to be a 10 by 12 14 foot, and that right there is going to be exposed. So when that gets the linseed oil on it and it pops, it's just going to be amazing. Ah, cool. Yeah, I know. We're milling at night again. Hey, thanks for following along. Thought I would share one thing. So if you've been watching the videos about loading the logs, a lot of times you see me set them down out there and then I drive around. This is one of those things you can talk amongst yourself, so you can tell me what you think. I don't even know if it's a debate, but a topic of discussion: do you mill from the small end down or the big end down? And I found with these ash logs, starting at the bottom and milling up seems to work well for me. That's what I've been doing. So a lot of times when they come off the pile, they're in the wrong direction on the skid, so I set them down, swing around to the other side, grab it, so when it drops on the sawmill, I'm going big side, bottom, up. So let me know what you do. That's cool. Hydraulic assist time, I don't even know how much this one weighs. You know, skid loader can handle 4,000. It's an older one, but probably a 3,500 pound log, 3,000 pound log. I'm out there at the end of it, so it's not too heavy. Where the machine's tippy, it's not tippy at all. But that's what the hydraulic assist when you don't have it on your sawmill. And for this, what I'm doing, I prefer not. I've seen a lot of sawmills when they get the chain and they're rolling, puts a heck of a lot of gouges and stuff in there. That may be operator error more than machine, but I just don't have that problem. But we're gonna grab it with the skid, lift it up, go out there, flip it around, not flip it around, flip it upside down, set it back down here and bring it down. As I said, 10 by 12, that's what we're going on this one. I'll bring it probably down into an 11 on this side, 11 and a half, and then I'll get the other side down to 13, and then we'll square up from there. But yeah, check it out. Woo! Beauty. coming along nicely. I was able to kind of flip it up and get it to stand, so I was happy with that. I think we'll end up using the cant to move it from here. At least that's what I hope. We're at 11 here, and now we're gonna flip over and take it down to just over 12, and then we'll start squaring it up. It's there's plenty in there. 12 is right about here, so we'll get a couple pieces off there, and most of that color will show up in there when we use it. Now, I don't know what this one's gonna be. It'll be one of the full 14s, so most likely gonna be one of the truss cords on the main bent, but there's only 2 bents, so it's not like there's the main bent. There's only 2, but that's most likely where this one will end up. Pretty log. Let's see if we can get it rolled over. Well, a clear deck. I would have to say that that one went pretty doggone good. Beautiful, beautiful grain in there. That heartwood, nice and dark and full of just beautiful lines in there. So that is going to be one heck of a beautiful timber up in the frame. Gonna do it for this video. Tomorrow, the next video. Hopefully, we had a long day today. The brackets are done. We have one hole that we need to tweak, which isn't bad, out of 16 1-inch holes and 3/4 inch plate steel. Having one needing to get moved over about 1/4 inch, and then we'll be dialed in and the brackets are in place. Yeah, maybe we'll do that video. I don't know. We'll sneak one in here, but a nice, beautiful night of milling here at the workshop at the Gardens. I'm going to call it. Thanks for following along. Glenn here, workshop at the Gardens. Cheers.